Oh yeah, that is a winner. An award winner, I should say. I'm Ali Carr, and this is Serve It. This month, it is book club. I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious caramelized onion and bacon tart that not only will have all your friends dishing about the book and the plot line, but your recipe. First step, we're gonna cook up our 4 slices of bacon. I like to use a thicker cut bacon. And this one we're gonna cook in the pan because we're actually gonna save the renderings to cook our onions in. All right, bacon's done. I like to put down a paper towel. Helps absorb some of that extra bacon grease. We're gonna chop this up, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw our onions right back into the pan. Don't worry, you won't shed a tear over this. Well, actually you might, because it's so good. Once our onions are nice and golden brown, we are gonna add a little bit of salt and about a tablespoon of our thyme, and then give it a few more minutes to kind of all marry together. That pop of thyme with the onions creates so much flavor. It's a simple little balance. Okay, once our onions are that like deep golden brown, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer these. Okay, so I've got all of my ingredients to do the filling, our ricotta cheese, Parmesan, the rest of our thyme, and then a little salt and pepper, the egg yolk. All right, let's get this all incorporated nicely. This will be the base layer of our pie crust. Go ahead and grab your pre-made crust, onions, and our bacon. Super easy to fill this. I should say it's like easy as pie. Get a slice of that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my ricotta cheese mixture right in the bottom. Today we're topping it with the onion mixture and bacon, but man, if you've got mushrooms, if you've got zucchini, if you have peppers in the kitchen, I mean, this could be a really great way too if you've got some extra produce that you just need to use up. So we wanna get that as evenly spread. Then we're gonna top it with our onions. All right, make sure we get all those onions spread evenly. And then the best part, we're gonna top it with bacon. I think everything in life is a little bit better with bacon, right? All right, so we're gonna sprinkle this on top. Okay, we've got our pie all assembled. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven, 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, just in time for our book club friends to arrive. All right. Ooh, take a look at this beauty. So once your pie's done, let's grab a good glass of wine. I'm gonna serve up some red today, but if you wanna pair this with your favorite white, a buttery Chardonnay, that would be great too. All right, let's serve this up. Okay, let's dive in to this pie. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh. The amount of flavor in this pie is through the roof. You get that flaky crust, that cheesy center, and then the onions and bacon plus the addition of thyme just makes it delightful.